How convenient. I actually am out in the rain. But, really, this one comment. I have multiple comments like these, which are these stupid bots, which always are like, say one word, and then they just ditch it, my channel. It's so annoying. It's one of those, free Robux scam things, where their name is like that, and then when you click on their name, they have little free Robux, go to this shady link or something. Just whatever the heck that is. But gosh, it's just super annoying. That's just a little thing. I'm gonna change all of these to hashtag Roblox. See you there. And this is the stuff that I meant. Anyways, yeah.